computer na computer po to. Yung pala yun. Pagka nakataya ako sa times 20, sa times 10. Pag hindi ko sa times 10, sa times 20. So, 2.6 na ba? Dito kanina 3 yan eh. Itabili. Ito. Hindi ka. Oo, enjoy ko yan eh.
It's an umbrella. Wow. Is this umbrella too small for you? Too big? It's much too small. What letter does umbrella start with? No. We hold an umbrella.
Yun na kaya, yun na kaya.
We're going to use it for our U sound.
Oo.
Let's do our U sound. And we'll place up. Up starts with U as well. Umbrella. U.
Go sa...
What's next?
3 times 3 dito sa tabilo ba?
This is actually a little. What letter does that can begin with? Yes, let's do our P sound.
Ah, hindi.
Pretend we're
Oo, kasi ang laban nila boss. Dalawang beses ang laban nito. Ngayon, 2026 lang boss. Yung unang laban nila, 2-0 sa Indian Wells. Si Tabilo nanalo. Ang score, 6-1, 6-2. Tapos, sumundang laban nila boss, itong August 2.
pretend to water flower.
Ang score naman, 2-1. Si Jordan naman nanalo. Ang score nila, 6-7, 6-4, 6-4. Yung dali eh. Nung nanalo si Tabilo ngayong taon, hiniro ni si Jordan. Nung nanalo naman si Jordan, pinahirapan pa rin yun.
Let's do our
2-1.
W sound. Yes, it's like we're taking a little sip of water. W. Water.
Sige boss. Susulit mo.
Wow.
Sige.
What's in the box?
Sige boss. Sabihin mo na ako kung ano itataya na lang. Ito pa ng ibang load. Nasa account naman ko. Mga ano boss, mga 30 minutes. Salit pa rin ako.
And it makes this sound.
Bakit pa rin ako. Diba, kaya meron na mamaya na boss. Good night. Mga boss, enjoy. Good night.
Do you know what it says? It's so fun.
Sige.
It says, yo-yo.
Sige.
Yo-yo begins with the letter I. Yeah, do you have yo-yo? Let's do our Y sound. It's like we're using our yo-yo. Y. What is this? It's a yellow zipper. What letter does zipper?
Video ate.
Let's do our D sound.
Sasamahin kita sa YouTube, Trey. Naman.
I'm so proud of you. You did amazing.
Ay,
I'm so
Nana. Hmm? Oh, ay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Go. Go. Ikaw nang rira.
So happy.
Play. Try out. Oh. Oh.